Okay, everybody, if you don't have the handheld TI Inspire CAS at home, we can use Desmos. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Desmos online to graph these and solve your system. Now, if you didn't watch the previous video, we went over a little bit of what can happen here. If we're graphing a line with a circle, we have a couple options, okay? Option one, we can have two intersections where this is a secant line that hits your circle twice, and we're going to write our answers as x, y, x, y. You can have a tangent line that hits your circle once and your solution is xy, or you can have a line that doesn't even intersect your circle and then there would be no solution. Okay, so those are your three options that we're going to be looking at, and we're going to start with number 8. So just take a note of this equation or the system of equations because I'm going to change my screen to go to Desmos. Okay, so in any web browser, go to Google, type in desmos.com. Okay, look at how you spell that, D-E-S-M-O-S. And then in here, this is your home page. You're just going to click this big red button that says Start Graphing. Okay, now our first equation is x squared plus y squared equals 1. So you're literally going to type x. There's a caret button above the 6, which is what I typically use to get a squared, plus y, and then a caret button above the 6, and then equals 1. And then there's your circle. Very easy. I think there's also a keyboard down here. Yeah, you can use the keyboard to get all your funny stuff. To type your second equation, just click the 2. Okay, it's kind of hiding here. You just click, click, click. Second equation is y equals, and then I'm going to do a fraction, which is x plus 1. And then we're going to hit divided by, where's my divided by key? 2. So x plus 1 divided by 2, and then there's your system of equations. Now, the nice thing with Desmos is you don't have to hit menu, you don't have to hit analyze, you don't have to hit intersection. It found it. It's right there. That's your answer. So 0.6 comma 0.8 and negative 1, 0. That is two solutions. You write them down, you're done. Okay, so if I go back to my lesson here, the answer to this, I would be recording a negative 1 comma 0 and a 0.6 comma 0.8, and that's it. Okay, next one, solve the system of equations. X squared plus y squared equals 2 and y equals negative x plus 2. So I'm going to go back to Desmos. I'm going to clear these out. Actually, I should have kept that one and just changed it. X squared plus y squared equals 2. Grab your second bar, y equals negative x plus 2. And then I'm taking a look at that. To me, it looks like it's tangent. Just hover, 1, 1, and you're done. So back over here, you would be recording 1 comma 1. That's it. Okay, last one. X minus 1 squared plus y squared equals 4, and y equals x plus 6 over 2. So back to Desmos. This time I'm going to be a little smarter about this. Gonna put parentheses, minus 1, and then plus y squared equals 4. And then I'm going to change this to x plus 6. If you highlight it and then hit your divide, it'll do that for you, and then put a 2. And then take a look at your system. What do you notice? They don't touch at all. So this one has no solution. So back over to here. No solution. And that is how you solve a system of equation when you're dealing with circles.